Stampers, Diane Dimich here with ddStamps.com, and I just wanted to give you a little sneak peek of what's coming in June's packet of goodies. If you place an order with me that's over $50, I send out a packet of goodies that coordinates with the tutorial that I've made for the month so that you can make the projects that are in there. So this month's tutorial uses the Free as a Bird stamp set. This is one of the new stamp sets in the new Stampin' Up! Catalog and will be available June 4th. I'm also using the stitched nested labels. These are awesome. As you can see, there's tons of them, and they stitch and cut and stitch, and so you're going to use it in the tutorial. You're going to see where I actually use that by just cutting out some designer series paper and then layering on the actual inside of the label with a dimensional just to give it some dimension. But these are fun labels to have. They'll work great with any stamp set. And then in the kit that I'm going to send out is actually going to be the designer series paper that coordinates with that stamp set. This is just absolutely, it's beautiful. I love this paper. I love everything about it. You can tell that I'm ready for summer. We're having a summer day, and these are the back sides. So you get a nice variety. These are some nice, bold, brighter colors. These are a little softer. But both sides are beautiful. And then I'll send cardstock. So you're going to get some samples of cardstock. I send a full sheet. So you'll get Whisper White, Soft Suede, Pool Party, Petal Pink, and Old Olive, just to give you a sampling of some of the cardstock that matches with that designer series paper, and also used in the cards that I make. And then the vintage lace ribbon, and then this beautiful organdy striped Petal Pink ribbon. So you get a little bit over a yard of each of those to coordinate with the cards that give you just a quick peek. The tutorial contains these cards with full instructions, PDFs, and everything. Hi Stampers, this is just some of the other products that you're going to need to use with the tutorial for this month. I'm using the blends, and I've got Petal Pink, Calypso Coral, Pool Party, Old Olive, Daffodil Delight, and Soft Suede. I've used Memento ink and Soft Suede ink, and then I also pulled in some of the stitch shapes. So I have my circle stitch shapes that I've used with this month's tutorial. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me, send me an email, send me a message, comment below, give me a like, and if you haven't already done so, you might want to visit my website and sign up for my newsletter, where I send out tips, tricks, and techniques each week. Anyway, thanks and have a great day.